Good afternoon everyone, my name is Chrisan M. Kaitom. Today I talk about of my business. Kaitom Military Supply. Summary Executive. Kaitom Military Supply is a specialized military supply business committed to providing high quality tactical gear, equipment, and supplies to military personnel, law enforcement agencies, securities contractor, and outdoors professionals. Our company aims to be trusted partners in readiness and defense by offering reliable products that meet rigorous military standards. Our core offering include tactical uniform, boots, weights, bags, bullet bags, bandoliers, jungle pack bag, gun case, thumb patch, helmet cover, and etc. We source our inventory from top tier certified manufacturers and ensure every product undergoes quality control to meet operational standard. We differentiate ourselves through military-grade product quality, durability, customized procurement, and bulk ordering support. Exceptional customer service tailored to defense and tactical clients. Competitive pricing with strategic vendor partnership. Company description. Kaitom Business Supply is a proudly Filipino-owned military and tactical equipment providers committed to serving the needs of military units, police force, private securities groups, and survival professionals. Business name, Kaitom Business Supply. Address, in Purok Ono, Karumatan, Kulumbugan, Danao del Norte. Contact no, Sir 965-862-5143. gmail.com kaitomcrisan gmail@gmail.com. Mission. Our mission is to equip those who serve with the equipment they need to success in their mission, safety, effectively, and with confidence. Vision. With a team of experienced tailor and a streamlined procurement system, Kaitom Military Supply ensures compliance with government standard, fast order fulfillment, and responsive customer service. Our goal is not only to supply products but to support the mission readiness of every client we serve, from the battlefield to peacekeeping operation. Value preparation. At Kaitom, we don't just sell gear, we provide readiness. Our tactical bundles and eventual items are handpicked for their field taste quality, ensuring that every client, whether a soldier, officer, or operator, is fully equipped for critical situation. We offer complete gear bundles that save time and budget, tailored kits for the different operational needs, fast, flexible logistics for both public and private sectors, hands-on customers service by experience. Core values. We have core values: service, integrity, readiness, excellence, and discipline. Market analysis. Location at Procono, Karumatan, Kulumbugan, Lanao del Norte. We have too many products. We have bandoler, jungle backpacks, helmet cover, dump pouch, or etc. Target customer. Our target customer is armed forces, police, or private personnel. Current competitors, our neighborhood, or our cousins. Target market: government and armed forces, private security companies, disaster response, tactical, outdoors, construction, and industrial firms. Direct competitors: Tongas Tailor in Iligan City, Lanchoy Bag Shop in Zamboanga City. And indirect competitors are neighbor or cousins. marketing and sales strategy. Kaito Military Supply provides high-quality, Philippine-made, tactical, and protective gear trusted by military law enforcement and private security personnel. Product: uniform boots, weight, bags, bullet bags, bandoler, jungle pack bag, gun case, dump pouch, helmet cover, and etc. Price: 5,200 to 3,800, 750, 3,800 to 5,000, etc. Place in Procona, Karmatan, Kalumbugan, Nanodito. Promotion: we offer tactical visit, ballistic helmet, military uniform, safety and several kits, communication accessories. Perfect for soldiers and police, security guards, rescue team, outdoors, and airsoft player. Promo: get 10% off your first order, free shipping on book orders. Visit us in Kaitong Military Supply. Call or text in number in 0965-862-5143. Facebook in at Kaitong Military Supply. Message us now. Order Kaitong Military Supply, strong, reliable, and ready. Operation plan: open at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Zamboanga City or Cebu City. Basic business permit required for all business. We have permit documents using agency's purpose. We have DTI. We have barangay clearance. We have business permit. We have BIR registration, SEC registration, and SSS PhilHealth. And that is all of my report for this afternoon, and thank you for listening for this after today.